Wait, this video was made with YouTube, right?
Yes, now. You can create full animations in minutes using the YouTube app.
Omo, you have to teach me this today.
You can also generate images and music. Just give it your idea and YouTube will generate the lyrics and the music all for free.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yes, guys, you heard that right. So from the YouTube app, you can now generate videos. You can also generate images. You can also generate backgrounds and music. You can as well use your image to generate videos. One thing I love most about the YouTube app is that you can generate music with it. With the music, you just give it your own idea and YouTube will generate the lyrics for you and the entire music as well. You can also generate background sound through the YouTube app. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you how to do this. So the first thing is for you to go to your ChatGPT to generate your script. So I already have mine. So this is what I wrote. I wrote this and gave it to ChatGPT to generate for me. And then ChatGPT gave me an enhanced cinematic video prompt, which is this. Okay. So now I'm going to copy my prompt and then we'll head on to the YouTube app to generate our video. So here is my YouTube app. And then you're going to come over to this plus sign right here down below, this plus sign. And then you click on it. So you're going to leave it on shorts. Do not go to video, do not go to live, do not go to post. Okay, so, and then you'll leave it here. When you're done with that, then you're going to come over here and click on this icon right here. You click on it. And then here we are. Then you come over to this place right here. And then you're going to paste your prompt. So here I have my prompt already pasted. And then you're going to click on generate. So you wait for our video to generate.
Wait, this video was made with YouTube, right?
Yes, now. You can create full animations in minutes using the YouTube app.
Omo, you have to teach me this today.
Yeah.
So you see that we got in our video very beautiful and perfect. Okay, so all you need to do is to come over here to download your video. But if you want to post it directly to your channel, you're going to click next and then you can post. So even on the YouTube app, you can create a video. You can see VEO3 standard. You can also use this feature as well to make me move. You can just upload an image and then type what you want. Here you can also generate a video using your image. I'm going to try this particular one out, this photo to video. Now I've clicked on it and I'm going to select the image that I want to use. So here is my image, and the good thing about this YouTube video creation is that it will suggest to you the dialogue you want. You can see here, it says, this woman says, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can see there are other suggestions that YouTube can give you for your video dialogue. When you are uploading your image, make sure it is a 9:16 image because you can only create videos with this image ratio. Okay, so okay, I'm just going to go ahead with this first one. The woman says, don't forget to like and subscribe now. You can as well write your own script, whatever it is that you want your image to say. You can go ahead, but I just choose to go with this. And then I'm going to hit on generate.
Don't forget to like and subscribe now because it really helps the channel grow and ensures you do not miss any of our future daily video updates.
So you can see that I gave it a prompt that was suggested by YouTube, and YouTube made sure that this video was able to give me more script to, encourage my viewers. You can see. So if maybe you are not satisfied with the generation, you can simply go ahead and try again here to regenerate. All right. So to save your video, you're going to come over to these 3 dots right here. And then you can save to your device or you can share. You see, but if you want to upload it directly, all you're going to do is just to come over to this place and click continue, and it will take you to your shorts to be, uploaded. At this point, guys, if you are not already following me, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. You can also use the YouTube app to generate an image. You can see here, you see. So you can come to this place to describe what you want to generate. You can see that, and there are even suggestions here. You see, try something like a dress made of wildflowers on the bed of grass. If you click on it, you can see. Now you can choose the style of image you want to generate. This is really amazing. You can choose the style. You can go with vintage, anime, clay. If you don't want any of this style, you can just click none, and then let's go ahead and create it. Beautiful. You can see this is really beautiful. You see, this is so lovely. If you are not satisfied, you can simply come over here to try again to regenerate. So you can click on this image. Now let's click on this image. You can as well use the image. You can also create a video with this image. Or if you want to download this image, just come over here to these 3 dots and then save the image to your device and you are good to go. Okay. You can also create a background with this new AI feature on YouTube, and you can also create music. So let's generate a background first and then we'll go over to the music. All right, so you're going to come over here to the background. Now we have suggestions. So you can see YouTube is going to suggest for you 2 dogs running on water. See, aerial view of Manhattan at night. So in case you don't want to use any of their suggested prompts, you can go ahead and type your prompt right in this box here. Okay, so let's just take a look at one of the suggested prompts from YouTube. Okay, let's go ahead with this cute sad cat, and then you're going to choose the style. Let's go ahead with polygon, and then you create. Wow. So in case maybe you are not satisfied with the generation, just come over here to try again. So let's take a look. And boom, here you are. So you can see that YouTube is really doing good. So any of the image you want to use, just go ahead and click on the image. So here you can use the image. You can also create a video with the image. And that is all for the background. Let's go over to the music, which is one of my favorites. I really love this music session. So you click on the music. Now here it says right here, create a track with vocals. So what you're going to do, now YouTube has suggested for you here what your lyrics is all about. So you can see here, it says, try to act like a normal person, a secret society of alley cats. So these are all suggestions, and if your music or the lyrics you want to write is not anything related to the suggestions that are here, then you're going to go ahead and click this place and type your what your lyrics is all about, and YouTube app will generate the lyrics for you. Now let me type something. Okay, so here is what I typed. I said my lyrics is all about God's blessings and unending love. Now that is what I want the YouTube app to generate my lyrics about. Then you're going to come over here and choose the genre. You can see we have different genre here, and if they are not if any of this suggestion doesn't fit into the category of music you want to create, just come over here and click on regenerate, and it will bring more options for you. But what I want to create is around here. So I'm going to use hip hop as my genre. Okay. Then the mood. These are suggestions of the mood. So if your preference is not in the options, just go ahead and regenerate. So you're going to see more. So you keep regenerating until you get what you want. I'm going to go with fierce. This right here, fierce. Okay. Now we're going to generate. So let me generate. So you can see this is the lyrics that YouTube has generated for me. The love is a fortress. I am safe within the walls. This is my lyrics. Now, YouTube has given me 4 suggested previews. So I can choose from any of these previews to create my video or do anything. Or it's going to only produce a song of 30 seconds. Okay, so let me play the first one.
Your love is a fortress, I am safe within the walls, a roaring lion.
Okay, let me go ahead with the second.
Your love is a fortress, I am safe within the walls. Your love is a fortress, I am safe within the walls. Your love is a fortress, I am safe within the walls.
You can see that we have different options. So whichever option you choose to go with, so while it's playing, you're going to click on that arrow. So you can see I've clicked on that arrow and then it will bring you this place and then it will bring you here. So you're going to go over to your gallery to choose an image, upload the image, and then you can post that image or video with the track that you have produced using YouTube. Okay, so I don't want to go over doing all of that. It's just like when you're uploading a video or an image and then this part where YouTube will bring the music suggestion so you can choose from the music. So this one will be this music that you have generated using the YouTube app. Okay, so back to the music section. Just in case maybe you don't want to create a track with vocals, we're going to come over here and turn this off. Okay, so you're only going to create a sound, just a sound without vocals. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead again. I'll choose hip hop, and then for the mood, lively, and then create. Okay, so our sound is ready. So this is just how you go about this new feature on YouTube. So any of the tracks you want, you're just going to go ahead and click on the arrow right here and then upload the image or the video you want to use and you are good to go. So if you got value for this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done that, and hit the notification bell. Also, you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram communities where we share important updates that we do not share on YouTube. And until I see you again in my next video, bye.